Joseph Parker here. I just want to make a shout out to all my Poly fans and Ainga. Thank you for the great support. Tune in tonight to watch some great action and keep it Coco.
Told you this before. I told you this before.
Would you please put your hands
I told
together?
you this before.
New Zealand's own
I told you this before.
Joseph Parker!
I see that top spot in my scope. Whoever up there getting smoked, pop, 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 pop. Nah, I ain't joking. You see me smiling? Hell no. I done paid my dues, and yeah, I'm coming for that gold. That's what's up. So say goodbye to the nice guy. If ain't cool, I'd rather be rude. Cause everybody isn't down with you, even when you crack it. Yeah, they all wanna hang around, trying to get girls off of your work, trying to get fame off of your name. And when you come first, they're like, nah, man, we homies. What's your tab like? Can I grab like 5 shots of 5 Peroni? Here's your shot and 1 Peroni. All to the big right. You and all of your cronies. And this is what my pop told me. He said, can't be cool with everybody. All I can be is true.
He was immunely frozen.
Say yo, do motherfucker. I told you this before. I told you this before. Yeah, motherfucker. I told you this before. I told you this before. Yeah. Told you this before.
Oh, great uppercut by Joseph Parker on the block!
I told you this before.
Now he's letting it go. Joseph Parker, the future of boxing,